Good morning, namaste, and welcome back to my channel. And in this vlog, I'm going to be bringing you the ultimate vegan guide to Gokarna. So, first and foremost, Gokarna is a place where many people come to trek and hike. So they also bring their tents and they go camping. So first and foremost, I will show you a camping meal that you can cook, a vegan meal, and it's actually cooked by my lovely friends Felix and Joanna from Germany, and it's got a bit of an Indian twist to this vegan camping meal. Then after venturing along the beach and using a little camping kitchen with Joanna and Felix, I will take you to town and show you the local delicacies in town, because a lot of the local delicacies are vegan. Now, on the Happy Cow app, there's actually only 2 places that they put down as vegan, but there's a lot more stuff that we can do here that is totally vegan. Hi, Joanna.
Hello.
What are you cooking today?
Some pasta.
Pasta. Pasta with loads of vegetables,
Yeah.
because these guys are like me. They want vegan diet. Look at all those veggies and herbs. Wow.
It's Indian pasta.
Indian pasta. Oh my goodness me. Felix, Indian pasta. That's a first. With masala. Oh, I can't wait. And curry leaves.
Our favorites.
Wow. So Joanna's just got the veggies in sunflower oil with onions, chillies, curry leaves, and some cumin seeds. Yum. Very nice. So we're just stirring it all together. Our Indian pasta. Wow. Masala pasta. This is amazing. So again, Gokarna's the place where we can sort of like just cook up a storm in a basic kitchen here on the beach, or if you go camping. So it's a nice idea, is pasta with an Indian flair that these guys are very kindly telling you about. Wow, oh, can you tell me? Turmeric, that's loads of amazing turmeric. Well, it's a massive anti-inflammatory, that turmeric, so it'll be really, really good for us. Gorgeous. And tomatoes, yum. See how they've chopped those tomatoes really big, because that's how they often chop them with Indian cooking culture. And I think perhaps it just makes the fish more juicy. Salt. So sprinkle some salt. Lovely. I like how she sprinkled that because it wasn't too much, and of course we like our health kits. So again, we minimalised on the salt. Cooking away nicely on that flame. Nice little beach kitchen, you cannot beat it, can you? Quite magical. So there we go, and all those that are on, well, not quite lockdown, you're not on lockdown, are you, in Europe and the UK at the moment? But it's just an idea of something for you to cook at home, because you can't travel internationally and do this here at the moment, but at least you can take it to your own home. And then when you do come out here, you could rent a place with a nice little beach kitchen and cook a storm in the kitchen, or when you're camping on Paradise Beach or Rome Beach or Half Moon Beach. We are going to add coriander. Smells amazing. Now, the Hindi word is done yet, and I was brought up knowing the Hindi word and not the English word, but my friends from Germany know the English word and I don't. How funny is that? So coriander's really good for reducing aluminium in the body. So all of those that have had things like fillings, at the dentist, or if you've been using aluminium deodorants, coriander is absolutely fantastic for aluminium elimination. Oh my goodness me. And they're going to blend it now. Whoa, and that's what it looks like after blending. I cannot wait to eat this. Yum. There we go. We're adding that blended sauce now to the veg. Lovely. The masala sauce to the vegetables. And as you noticed, it's also got ladyfinger in the pan there. And of course, that's very Indian. Indian pasta, it sure is. It's like we're East meets West. Fabulous. Mixture of East and West. And then add some water. Give it a mix. So, yeah.
You always, Johanna, sometimes
Mm-hmm.
you use.
So there's the beach. And there's Johanna serving the food. So we're going to eat on the beach. Wonderful. Ready to try my pasta. And in South India we eat with our hands. Wow! I've never had masala pasta before, but my God, that's amazing. I recommend you cook it. So again, travellers, campers, we're all pretty much budgeted. So the pasta meal between 3 of us is 110 rupees. That's £1 for 3 of us, or about $1.50. So cheap to cook on your trek, isn't it? So on the streets of India, they have lots of vegan food in Gokarna, South India. And coconuts, of course, they're naturally vegan. And there's coconuts galore in Gokarna. Hi! Are you enjoying your coconuts? Nice. Hi! Hi, Papa! So, a vegan dish that I absolutely love to eat here in Gokarna is the dosa. So, the dosas are actually fermented overnight. They're made from rice and dal, and then the fermentation takes place overnight. So what's happening there is with fermentation, we get rid of all the bad bacteria, and we actually consume the good bacteria in the dosa. And of course, purely vegan, just made from rice and dal. Served with some curry and some chutney. Chutney will contain some mint and garlic, so the mint's really great for the stomach. The garlic's really great for things like colds and flu, so really great for this corona season. So delicious. So I'm just here at a place called the Halfway Home in Gokarna at the hilltop. Cheers. This is kombucha, ginger kombucha. So it's vegan and it's very, very good for putting the good bacteria into your system. Fermented, a bit like dosas. Slightly alcoholic. Huh. Okay. Mmm, fizzy. I love it, ginger fizz. Here we have idli served with vegetable soup. So idli, they are round rice balls, which look a bit like Space Invaders, I guess. So they're puffed up rice balls. So yeah, it's lovely. So another nice vegan dish and nutritionally dense with all those vegetables. Yum! And this is gobi manchuri. So it's an Indo-Chinese dish. Gobi is cauliflower covered in cabbage. Yum! So lots of vegan options. Noodles and Maggi are also vegan. Maggi is a form of little noodles. So, as you can see, there's lots and lots of vegan options here in Gokarna. And again, naturally, the way the terrain is, a lot of people come here for hiking, camping, cooking at camp places. So I did think showing you the meal, cooking meal would be a great idea, especially because it has an Indian twist and we can get all the ingredients here in Gokarna, so you don't have to go buying your ingredients from your hometown and then bringing it over. So yeah, that's a really good idea. And of course, because some people can't quite come to India if they're living in Europe at the moment, so I've brought India to you by showing you how to do the masala pasta, or rather, Felix and Joanna so kindly did that. Aren't they gorgeous? And many people come for eating out. So again, we've got the dosas, we've got the gobi manchuri, we've got noodles, coconuts, which are naturally vegan. So yes, it has been quite a vlog showing you a vegan guide to Gokarna. So if you like what you see and you see what you like, then please subscribe to my channel. Much gratitude to all those who subscribe. And you know the drill, if you like the video, then give it a thumbs up and comment. Even if it's just to say great vlog, or if it's to ask some more questions about the veganism here, I always answer the comments. I read every single comment, so you will certainly get a reply from me. Shanti, 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 Namah Shivaya, kisses, and see you on the next vlog.